Hello, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and if you're new here, then not welcome back, but just welcome. Hi. I don't normally look like this. I look a little bit like, I look very flat. Hi. Today I'm gonna be trying out Roxy's collaboration with Revolution. I'm excited about this one. I think Roxy has done a really good job with this collection. She has brought out an eyeshadow palette, a liner, and then also a brush set and some lashes. If I have chicken in my teeth, I was literally about to film and then Ollie came in and saved the day and gave me some chicken select. So if I have chicken in my teeth, just know that I really enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm just gonna be trying that out today, hence my beige face. I'm gonna be using some of the brushes to put on like a little bit of bronzer, a little bit of highlighter and stuff, and also obviously eyeshadow. And then yeah, focusing mostly on eyeshadow, liner, and lashes. So let's get into it. I keep getting rid of the chicken and it just keeps coming back. All right, so this is the all you need brush collection. So as you can see, you get 5 brushes and then 2 sponges. I just want you to know that majority of my videos before they're edited is just me trying to get into packaging. So yeah, we have 2 sponges. They both seem to be exactly the same. I've tried out Revolution sponges before and they're really, really good. This one seems really nice. It's very kind of like squishy and not too dense or anything, which I appreciate. You know what? I might even go and grab a little bit of cream contour because I haven't powdered down the sides of my face yet. So I'm gonna go and wet this. I'm gonna grab some contour and then we'll try it out. All right, so I wet the sponge. It looks like this. You can see it has grown a lot. So I'm actually gonna go in with my Lush foundation stick that you guys may have seen in my testing Lush video because I really, really like this as a contour. I'm not gonna put my hair up today just because I've already done my base makeup and stuff, but I am gonna tuck my hair behind my ears and look weird. So yeah, I'm gonna pop just a little bit in there. And then I'll just blend that out. I don't see why I'd have any issues with this because this honestly feels like a really, really good sponge. By the way, I didn't even say it. Congrats, Roxy. I've already said it to her personally, but congrats on your second collection. I think this is the second one. I'll try this side as well. Got it in my hair, but it's okay. Sometimes you just gotta paint your hair with foundation as well. There's so many mirrors around me right now. I don't know where to look. I can see my face far too much right now. Cool. Decent sponge. I don't really know what else to say, but yeah, that's a really, really good sponge. So now I'm just gonna powder down the rest of my face using the little powder brush. So I'm gonna take some of my Laura Mercier powder. These brushes seem really soft. Yeah, they're really soft. They've got a couple of hairs that are coming out, but I mean, I feel like that does just kind of happen with a lot of cheap brushes. So yeah, I'll just powder down my cheeks because like I said, I had already done the rest of my face. When I was eating my chicken a second ago, obviously I already had my lipstick on, so I was doing that thing like the Kardashians do and just like eating like this, just to make sure I didn't ruin my lipstick. Okay, so I'm just gonna powder down a little bit more on my face. Yes. And now I'm gonna take a little bit of my Too Faced chocolate bronzer, this guy here, and I'm gonna go in with just the smaller brush. I wouldn't normally use this for like contouring and stuff, but I feel like it should be okay. So I'll take a bit of that and just pop a bit of that in here. Just gonna stamp that on there. And then I'll go back in with that powder brush. I think I am just gonna go in with the powder brush to be honest, because that other one is a little bit too dense. And then, yeah, just do the same on my forehead. Nothing really interesting, to be quite honest. You've probably seen me do this about 400 times. But yeah, just warm myself up just a little bit. Then I'll go in with a little bit of my Marc Jacobs bronzer. I have actually used quite a lot of this, but it hasn't even made a dent in it. So again, just... Oops! You'd think after doing makeup for so many years, I'd actually know how to do it. I don't. Okay, we've got to sort that out because what the hell is that? It looks like red up here. The hell? Decided to blot it down with a little bit of foundation just because it does look a little bit intense. I'm just using my Body Collection one. That's what I got on my face today. Yeah, I just need to blot it down up here because it just looks a bit nuts on that bit of my face. I'm gonna blame everything but me. It's the makeup's fault because they can't answer back. That's a bit more like it. Okay, a little bit more powder just to blot that down. Okay, saved it. I'm now just gonna put on some highlighter. I'm just gonna use this dense brush. I'm gonna try it. I mean, this definitely isn't a highlighter brush, but it does seem to be working. I'm gonna quickly use my Luxe Powder Fusion brush from Zoeva. Isn't that nice? Really nice. A little bit more here. I then got a little pencil brush, so I'll just go in with a bit of that on my snoz. Of course, gotta give the middle finger. Oh, I just touched my nose and I instantly wanna sneeze. It'll go in a minute. I think we're safe. And then also while I'm here, I'm gonna put some of that on my brow bone. You might be able to see that I haven't set down my lids or anything yet, so it's very creasy, but that's fine. I'm like that meme with the dog drinking the coffee while the house is on fire. I'm like, it's fine, So far the brushes seem all good. I'm obviously going to try them with the eyeshadow. So now let's just move on to that. So yeah, this is the Cosy Vibes palette. And as you can see, there are loads of warm tones on there. Warm tones kind of scare me a little bit. I mean, I tried them out in, I can't open this box. Yeah, I'd used a couple of warm tones in my Vogue video. And I even said in that video, I was like, I hate warm tones. But you guys always seem to like it when I wear warm tones. So thank you very much. So I'm doing this for you, okay? So yeah, this is what the palette looks like this. Very nice. So what have we got? It looks like we've got 2 different glitters. I kind of want to use this glitter here. I didn't even know they were glitters. I thought they were just shimmers. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's a counting lesson with Steph. 7, 8, 9. 9 shimmers, 2 glitters, and then 1, 2, 6, 7 mattes. I hope you enjoyed that maths lesson. Well done, you've passed. So let's swatch a couple that I maybe won't use. I feel like I won't use leaves. Okay, looks like that, pretty pigmented. I may not use probably Fireplace. Oh, these feel really, really buttery. Oh, these are almost like a cream formula. That looks sick. Okay, then this matte one here. Obviously not as pigmented as the shimmer, but looks okay. I wanna try another shimmer. Let's go in with Blanket. Yeah, they do feel very kind of creamy. So this is just like a super kind of silvery rose quartz almost. These shimmers look good. And then I think I am gonna go in with Sparkler, so I do just wanna try a bit of Dazzle, the glitter. That looks really nice. It's quite opaque glitter as well. Yeah, I kind of wanna use this one though, because it just looks really like, it's not like a true gold. I'm gonna swatch it. Yeah, it's got like gold and silver flakes in there. All right, let's go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and blot down my lid quickly, just so I don't have like a huge crease line going across my face. Oh, my eyelashes stuck together and I dropped a sponge. Oh my God, professional YouTuber. I think first of all, I'm gonna go in with, knit sweater. It sounded like one of those cats then that was fighting. So I'm just gonna work that in my crease with the smaller brush that she has. Yeah, let's just do something like really glittery and kind of smoky. I'm just looking at those shimmers like, should I use the purple glitter or the, I don't know. So I'm just going in with a few swipes of that. Obviously it's pretty similar to my skin tone, so it's not gonna seem like the most pigmented eyeshadow ever. And I'll just blend that out into my brow bone. Now, I'm gonna do purple, just for you, because I know I do too many neutrals. Okay, I'm gonna take a bit of Fog. So this shade down here, picking that up all over my brush, and then I'll just put that in my crease as well. So far, everything seems to be blending out okay. Obviously, I know it's early days. I haven't used any crazy colors yet, but yeah, so far, no problems. Nice. So now I'm just gonna dust off my brush just lightly, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Nap Time. So this is like one of the brighter colors in the palette. And I think I'll just kind of basically work my way down and start working it on my lid. I don't really know what I'm doing. I just know I want a bit of purple and some of the glitter. So I'm just gonna wing it, to be quite honest with you. Blend that a little bit onto my lid and then buff that out. It's actually quite a good brush just for like getting right in the crease. It's not too big, it's not too small, so it kind of blends everything out nicely. And then I'll just take the clean fluffy brush and just diffuse the edges. I feel like right now I'm looking a little bit like Jared Way, about to join the Black Parade. I think, because I am gonna be using liner, I'm just gonna flick this out a little bit more as well. So basically all I do with that is I don't like actually put any more product on, I just literally flick, and eventually it will take a little bit of time, but it will just start to create a very, very subtle flick. You see? Just kind of drags it out. And obviously if you need to, you can just sharpen it up a tiny bit as well. So now I'm gonna go in with my finger and I'm gonna go in with that shade Dazzle, which was that purpley glitter. And I literally just picked it up with my finger fine. Gonna give you guys the finger. Press it on, I guess. I literally pressed that. I didn't move my finger, I just pressed it. Just gonna carry on pressing that in just to blend it out just a touch. I always struggle to get it like right on my outer corner. There's quite a bit of glitter fallout, but I think I should be able to get rid of it. Dude, that is an intense glitter. Just gonna take that fluffy brush again and just try to flick some bits of glitter away. So then I'm gonna take that medium brush that I was using again and just lightly tap on the outer corner and then start to blend. And then I'll go back in with a bit more Nap Time, which is that brighter purpley color. Oh, it's all being blended off my eyelid right now. I'm just gonna try this brush here. Okay, you can actually pick it up really well with the brush. Probably should have done that before. I don't really know how I'm gonna blend this out though, because it just seems to wanna stick and then that's kind of it. It doesn't really blend out as much. I think if you wanna blend it out a little bit, you just have to kind of tap it randomly. So just very lightly over where you want it to be. It's really good. I was actually thinking to myself, maybe I'll do like a little glitter cut crease, but I was thinking, nah, that's not gonna work. But I felt like you could do that actually with this. If you're using the glitters, I would highly recommend you do your eyes first. Because yeah, there is a lot of glitter fallout. Like, I've literally got some on my nose. I'm now gonna take a little bit more of Knit Sweater, just to again, build that up onto my brow. And then for my inner corner, I think I'm actually gonna take a little bit of Candle Lit, and yeah, I'll just pop that on my inner corner here. Ooh, I like that. I tried Blanket as well, which was that one here, so I might even take a bit of that, just to add a little bit more pinkiness to it. And then a bit more Candle Lit on my brow. Yeah, these shimmers are really good. They're just very kind of like, they almost have like a creamy liquidy formula, but they go on like a powder. It's cool. And then I might actually leave my lower lash line free for a minute. I might add to it in a second if I put like my lashes and mascara and stuff and it looks a little bit funny, but yeah, I might leave it for now. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Roxy's liner. So yeah, this is just called the eyeliner pen. Nice and easy. So we've got a little nib there. Ooh, that looks very black. Okay, I'm gonna need to go into shrimp mode. I am a shrimp. It's like I physically can't do makeup like this. I have to just become a fossil. And T-Rex apparently. Okay, don't laugh at me, I'm probably gonna suck at this. I feel like that's one of the worst wings I've ever done in my life. You know what? My wing might be a little bit dodge. Kinda like it though, I never do a wing this big, but that's actually such a good liner, even with the glitter and everything. Like I've literally just been wiping it. I won't lie, I've just been wiping it on my little Lush box and just getting rid of the glitter as I kind of go. And the pen isn't clogged up at all. Normally, like with these kind of pens, when I've already got eyeshadow on, the pen kind of gets a little bit clogged up, but that actually works really, really well. Nice packaging as well. We haven't spoken about the packaging. Really nice packaging for the liner, really nice packaging for the eyeshadow. I'm doing that thing where I'm like talking and almost burping again. I don't know what's wrong with me. I literally just realized as well that obviously it's Cosy vibes and it's just got this like knitted material just printed on the packaging. Very cute. So I'm now, of course, just gonna go off camera and do the other eye. People always ask me why I do that. Honestly, it's because these videos take a long time to film, and if I film the other eye, sometimes they just end up literally being like 40 minutes long. So I'm saving you time and I'm saving me time. So I'm gonna go off camera, do the other eye, probably add a little bit of mascara and stuff, and then we'll pop on the lashes. I was just about to say I was done, but I forgot my inner corner, so we'll do that together. A little bit of Candle Lit, again, on the brow bone. I did struggle a little bit with this eye, just like a tiny, it was like a touch patchy. I don't know if it's my eyelid, I don't know if it's the eyeshadow, no idea, but I managed to fix it. I never wear liner like this. Like I always do like a tiny little bit of liner. What do you guys think? Do you like it? I feel like I never look like me when I've got liner on, but I also kind of feel like a bad bitch. Never let me say that again, please, thank you. Okay, so now I'm gonna move on to my lashes. So these are called the false lashes. Do they have a style? I don't think they do. Yeah, I think they're just literally like the only lashes that come with the set. So they just look like this. They're nice little like accent lashes. They're quite full, but like, yeah, they're still kind of like natural looking. Okay, I'm gonna give these a little snippy. So I'm just gonna take off, I think, just like one of the little end bits. Oh, almost. Snip. You're all gonna laugh at me when I do this, aren't you? Because I'm not very good at putting on lashes. It takes me like 12 hours. So grateful that I have actually like quite long, like natural lashes, because I could not do this every day. Okay, who's ready to laugh? These lashes look nice. They're very like 3D. They've got like multiple layers to them. I might be able to do this a little bit easier now I have liner on. You know what? I'll lift it a little bit higher as well to give my eye a little lift. Oh, see? I was doing so well and then just, nope. Just gonna try and stick it back on with my finger. No, I'm not. Honestly, why do lashes do this to me? Did I do it? I did it. Okay, I'll squish that on in a second. Now let's do the other one. I'll then just do a little touch up of my liner here because some of the glue took it off. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm really happy with how that turned out. I like the eyeshadow, I like the lashes, I like the liner. Like you guys know, I'm not a liner person, but that liner was actually really, really good. And yeah, the brushes are good as well. I mean, I don't necessarily think they're like all you need because I would definitely need a few more brushes to do my full face, but like the sponges are really, really nice, very, very soft and kind of like malleable. Nice powder brush. I would use this one for my under eyes. And then the brushes that I like most were the eyeshadow ones because honestly, like that is kind of all you need apart from like a shader brush to do a full eye look. So yeah, the Roxy collection is definitely worth the hype. I think she did a really, really good job with the palette. It's obviously like a nice neutrals palette. You've got everything you kind of need for every day. And then you also have a few pops of color for like a more evening look or something a little bit more out there. I really like the glitters especially. They're such a good formula. Like you don't need any kind of base or anything. They just go on easy. Yeah, I'm happy. And this isn't my usual kind of makeup look, but you know what? I like it. Let me know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, as always, please do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you do want to see more of me, because I upload every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. And I never normally ask this, but like, we're getting closer and closer to 500,000, which is seriously mind-blowing to me. So if you have any friends that you think might like my videos, then maybe share it with them. I feel weird asking that, but I don't know. I just know I'm gonna drink a lot of wine if I ever get to 500,000, like, that's a lot. But yeah, apart from that, that is it from me. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.